Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you guys had a great day. So another bullish day out of NQ here. Still think we are driving up to this daily FEG. I know I keep pounding it, but that is uh, like I'm like 99.99999% sure. This is the higher time frame draw right now up to this daily FEG. One thing I want to point out, if we draw this daily FEG and we look at this, right? We look at where the CE of this weekly FEG lines up. If we go to our weekly chart, look where these weekly lows lie. Right here with here, kind of lines up with what? All these lows, and what's this low? This is your weekly bearish order block that we have yet to come up and retest here, right? So I think we're going to draw up into here, into that daily FEG. You notice now it's also a weekly FPG, right? But obviously we could probably come up and dig into that daily as well. So I think 988 is going to be the higher time frame draw. It just so happens that CE of that daily lines up with the wick of this weekly order block, bearish order block as well. So that's what I'm still thinking. Nothing's really changed on my front. Um, 4 hour right now, really nothing to kind of really pay attention to. I told you guys this morning that if we close above this down candle, that we would for sure be going up to this high right here, up to that 988 level. You see, we did not get that. We'll see. We'll give it another shot today. I want to go down to obviously most of today was pretty choppy midday. The big thing was that I said to watch though this morning, right? Played out perfectly, right? We have New Day opening gap sitting here. We all knew that. Well, what else was there? There was them equal lows that I said to Mark, watch, and then look what happens. We go down, we fill that gap, we sweep this low as well, and then fill the gap, take them equal lows. The big thing to go look at is time, right? What time did this happen? So if we go back and look at it, what do you see? 940 or so, we take it, and then whenever like we're gonna get at that 10 o'clock reversal, we usually get some kind of we go up. We either get a failure swing here because like maybe ES takes a low and then we have an SMT, or we take this low and then we go and then look what time this starts. So at first I thought we were going way up here, and then obviously we got like a kind of a 50% down, filled in every little FEG along the way. You see this little 1 minute FEG held, came back down, filled every imbalance along the way, and then we kind of just kind of kept going up, chopping ish the rest of the day, and then what happened? And then mid afternoon, we thought we were going up to this high. We had inverse this 15 up. We kind of get that news of whatever news. But the big thing with that news was time, right? We always expect some kind of like 10 o'clock. We always expect some kind of big move, some kind of big stop run at 10 o'clock, at 10 o'clock, at 3 o'clock. Look what time this down move started. Obviously, that news came out the same time, probably used as an accelerant to take us down. But look where this took us down to. Most of you probably know. You follow my charts, you follow my alerts daily. But look at this. Gave the market a perfect opportunity to rebalance an untapped hourly FVG down here, take us down to discount. This kind of reaction, very, very bullish. Just notice we got pretty much equal highs here on the hourly. And then we'll see if this is what the market needed to then push us higher. Is that what we were, drawing down for and having a hard time moving up for? Was this hourly that we left down here? Market comes down, takes it, and then obviously we get a big bullish reaction off of it. We took this trade as well. In the PM stream, we took this 30-second inverse, closed over. We went long at 820, ended up selling at the 50% mark here. Obviously, could have held for a lot more. And then we went all the way up to take that high. So I wanted to show you guys that. Always got to pay attention to your 3 o'clock comeback, and then we take the whole down move, the whole big manipulation down move, and then come all the way back up. Kind of got your accumulation, your huge manipulation leg, and then your distribution leg all the way back up to this high, and then all the way back up to these highs. And then obviously the same thing this morning, right? We always expect some kind of accumulation, manipulation, and then I can move back. Never, we haven't came back and taken this high yet. Still, I still think we do, but just see how all of that works and how if you just step back and look at it, like anybody can look at these charts and get a general idea of where that higher time frame draw is. So tonight I'm watching this. Maybe we'll get some kind of 50% pullback down into this 15-minute down here. You know, we got a 15-minute BPR down here that could want balance before we before we push up higher. Maybe move down into here and then up to 988 is a possibility, or we just go straight for it. I do think we're going to run into some heavy resistance. You know, we're in a weekly bearish FEG. We're in a bearish daily FEG at that point, as well as we'll be tapping in up and near that, a little bit higher up is that weekly, is that CE of the daily that I showed you, and that weekly order block about halfway up of that daily fair value gap. So I'm expecting some heavy resistance there. Obviously, if we just show no respect for that daily and we just keep pushing, you guys already know, expecting all-time highs again. However, I do think it's gonna run into like a bigger thing. Maybe we get some kind of just a small move back, 50% down on like an hour or something. Not saying we're gonna hit it, reject, and go all the way back down to the lows. Absolutely a possibility. We'll just play it by ear as we go. But after that, guys, I'm really that's all I'm really watching. I want to see us either put in a close over that 4-hour candle that I showed you here to confirm that we're going up to 988. Maybe we wake up and we're already there. A possibility, but I don't think we're going to get much of a big pullback here just because of that reaction off that 50% here. Market is already balanced to the downside. Kind of what I showed you guys today, right? You always want to look for the smooth edge of a knife, not the serrated edge. Look down here. You see like wicks and stuff. The damage has already been done. Another 50% move here. Another 50% move here. Damage has been done. It's now that means we go up and take highs. Kind of like why I was bullish bias going into today, right? We had the gap here. We had went down. We swept this low. So I was bullish up to some kind of highs. You see we took some highs here. And then we go back down, we take lows. You see, like there's damage here now. So now we go up and we have now taken that new high up here. So like whenever you see this kind of damage, just think of it as like the serrated edge of a knife. You don't want to attack that spot. You want to attack where there's more smooth highs, in the opposite direction of where obviously that stab or that serrated edge of the knife is at. If you guys haven't watched my liquidity video on YouTube. I go over it a lot more there. But yeah, watching that, still bullish up to 988 for tomorrow. ES, obviously still jumping. What's the word I'm looking for? Bouncing off the daily prop block here. Closed over this daily order block as well. So another big thing. Let's see. Did ES inverse this? It did not inverse this today. So that's another thing. Like ES has been stuck in this daily FEG. It hit it last Wednesday, and it's yet to get a close over. Still fighting through it. These are actually very bullish candles. That you got daily order block here, price held, order block here, price held right here, and now we're getting and now we'll see if this candle holds tomorrow. If ES inverses this and NQ inverses it, then obviously I think right back to the highs. But it will be a big spot. ES is also in a weekly, a small weekly FEG here, but notice how price still respecting it as of now. But it's all I'm really watching. With that, hope you guys have a great evening, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.